Are you ready to level up your investments this April 2025? Listen up because we're talking serious money-making opportunities here. In this video, we're breaking down 5 powerful stocks that are poised for strong performance, along with the reasons why they deserve your attention. Whether you're a long-term investor looking for those steady gains, or a short-term trader riding the wave of momentum, this list has something for you. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the market movers that are set to dominate April. Nvidia. This stock has been on fire, and guess what? The fire is just getting hotter. They're the 800-pound gorilla in the GPU market, but it's their artificial intelligence game that's got me screaming, buy. Data centers, self-driving cars, even the robots flipping burgers in the future. They all need Nvidia's chips. Their last earnings report, a knockout punch. They crushed expectations. And with new chips hitting the market and a full-court press into enterprise AI, this stock is a rocket ship. We're talking 20 to 25% upside by the end of the year, folks. Don't miss out on this one. Forget what you think you know about Microsoft. This ain't your grandma's software company anymore. We're talking about Azure, their cloud platform that's giving Amazon a run for its money. And with Microsoft Copilot integrating AI into every nook and cranny of their software suite, they're boosting productivity for businesses around the globe. And don't forget their investment in OpenAI. They're at the forefront of the AI revolution, folks. This is a company firing on all cylinders. You want steady cash flow? They've got it. Dividend growth? Check. Market trust? You bet. Microsoft is the rock in your portfolio that also knows how to rock and roll. Tesla. Always a lightning rod, right? Love them or hate them, you can't ignore them. This isn't just a car company, it's a tech titan in the making. Energy storage, self-driving software, robots that'll make you dinner, they're everywhere. New gigafactories popping up in Mexico and India, that's how they scale, baby. And those profit margins, they're about to get a whole lot fatter. Listen, Tesla is a wild ride, I won't lie. But for those who dare to dream big, the potential upside is astronomical. Is there anything Amazon can't do? They're delivering packages to your doorstep in under an hour, and their cloud computing platform, AWS, is printing money faster than the government. Cloud infrastructure is the name of the game, and Amazon is playing it better than anyone. But wait, there's more. They're also optimizing their logistics and supply chain, squeezing out more efficiency and bigger profits. And let's not forget the consumer. Spending is back, baby, and Prime subscriptions are through the roof. Amazon is a juggernaut, plain and simple. Buy. Palantir Technologies. This one's a bit of a stealth bomber, folks. They've been quietly working with governments and big corporations, providing the AI-powered data analytics that makes the world go round. Their Gotham and Foundry platforms are the real deal, and now they're pumping them full of even more AI tools. Their latest earnings report? Boom! Commercial contracts are exploding, especially in Europe and Asia. Listen, Palantir is still a bit of a gamble, but if they play their cards right, this could be the multi-bagger stock that sets your portfolio on fire. So there you have it. Nvidia, Microsoft, Tesla, Amazon, and Palantir, our top 5 stock picks for April 2025. Remember, investing always carries risk, so do your own research or consult a financial advisor. But if you're looking for a smart place to start, these names are worth a close look. Which stock are you most bullish on this month? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart investing insights. We'll see you at the top.